GPS 10, OUF 88, SAUGFIX or GPS domestic, installation and display indicators. Welcome to this tutorial on installing the GPS 10, also called OUF 88, SAUGFIX or GPS domestic, and display indicators. In this video, we will walk you through the operation and guide you through the display quick reference list. Attention! Installation must be in accordance with BS 5410 or any local building regulations. Normal operation status. When the green light is steady, it means that oil lifter is powered. Oil level in lifter reservoir has reached stop level. It keeps this state till low level is reached again, or start button. When the green light is flashing, it means pump filling GPS reservoir. When all three lights are off, it means no power supply. Also, a level probe shorted may turn off these three LED lights. Alarm status. When the first red light and the green light are on steady, it means very high level is reached. When the red light in the upper corner lights up steady, it means leak detection alarm or fault at leak detection probe. When the green light is steady and the red light below is flashing, it means no oil safety stop or main storage tank empty, automatically activated after 1 hour not reaching high level. When all three lights are flashing, it means that no level probe is detected. Other status, reset sequence. Following to an interruption to the power automatically starts within 3 seconds. Automatic start mode facility. To enter, keep pressing start button during 5 green LED blinks, 5 seconds approximately.